Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today I want to explain basically how you can use your brush tool. And using the brush tool, let's adjust this image like this. Press enter. So this is our brush tool. Let me highlight it for you so that you can see clearly. This is our brush tool in between. Let me zoom in. This is our brush tool here, which is having this. The icon is that of a mopping stick. So for instance, let's go in. Now you want to brush over an image. Select this brush. Come to select that layer in which you want to brush on. And then you can press caps lock on your keyboard to see the size. You can see something. You see what it's doing. This is what we call brush. And then there are different ways how you can brush. And if you want to select that particular color that you want to brush, press alternate on your keyboard. And then if you press alternate and hold, then select, and let me select a color from my clothes here. Click on top, and then it is that color that you will brush out. For instance, as you can see, you see the amazing factor. This is how brush tool is used. You can brush anywhere. Let's say you want to select the color of this background here. Then you can brush over like this. Brush over, brush over, brush over, brush over, brush over, brush over like this. You brush over. So with this, you don't have to worry. You just brush over. So there are different ways. If you want the strength to be more, you can come, or less. The opacity is on 100%. You can reduce it to, let's say, 50, and the flow to, let's say, 56, and then you see that it doesn't apply much. It's only a little by little. Let's select it. It's little by little, little by little. The force is no longer that much. So you can check. These are the list of brushes. Look at, these are the general brush. We have the soft round. We have the hard round, soft rounded pressure. So these are different brushes depending on what you want to use. So that's how to use your brush tool. And then if you have any question, you can also drop in the comment section, and do well to subscribe so that anytime we drop a video, you will get a notification. So now look at the sizes. If you want to reduce the size, you can come here, increase the size to any way. You want it harder, you can also increase the, look at, you see how hard it is now. But if you come back and now reduce to 0, it's not that hard again. So you can see, let's zoom in to see. You see the difference. This is the soft, and then this is the hard, like this. So we'll see you in our next tutorial for more.